Ban Kamau ya ka jingtre kam ya ka Indian Legal Service Authorities Act 1987 ka Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority hinan ka singi ka khanai talik unai we ngala rakhe ya ka Legal Service Day da ka jingthmu ban pin saphyang jingtem halor ki an ba phe sha upat ba kumsi banta jong ka tai ka jing rakhe laplong ki bobon ki program yalap ba kanthop ya ka jingpen mana lembang ki kali ki jingsam ki kotling dop bat ki poster ha ka ni ka singi laplong ru ya ka webina halor ka phang free legal services habayakran ba kilat pathai khubor UNA Khan member secretary ka Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority Ulong makajing temu bahmat jong ka Legal Service Authority lagalong hapo kari jilla na district neki kerdan hapo ka subdivision kalong ban pentingna ya kila jingiram baklem CWA hakilian ki an ki kanun syaki benta jong ka imlang salang ulaya thoru bagidan sispa lai phomut kinong sai an ki bakni ya komba saus pa pratli ki mokot numa bat nakite saus pa nyotli kidei ki mokot numa bayade bat ki kam di an kat bat ki we pat ki mokot numa ki dei bat ka jingya ka ja hapdeng ki kin hon ne civil case Habaphai sya ko hukum jong kajing bisar bahakli do kari banpen kelut ya ki along namar ka khlam COVID-19 ki don kumba saus pa angut ki koidi ki badan kti hakikam baret barya ki belalat no naka along lemba ka jamin Habakran sapang ka Meghalaya Victims Compensation Scheme ara khat khandai ukhan ulaya thu bakidan sispa santhulai ngut kilanon ki balapin ithu da ki District Legal Service Authority ki balayo ya ka bailok san lemba ka Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority ka balakot saka saup san lak khandai san hajar tingka ha ka bede ba kamukot duma halor ki kam klemokor bat kam thombor kumju ru ada bansio halu khatwai lak tingka habaphai syaki mukot duma hapo ka penelom Shushu member secretary ulaban rapru balatung aspa lifeline ngut ki para legal volunteer haki office beper kenthop haki tanat baki legal care and support center nak benta gitu kibrang kam ya kejingeram nadu upanai kelalingkot hadu menta sanspa andru punyongut ki beliau ki layo jimentoy lemba ki nyopotli ki LCSC ki badan hakalang sudong kejelam
It is observed as a legal service day because it is on this day 9 November 1995 Legal Service Authority Act 1987 came into operation. And let me tell you that the Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority came into existence on 15 July 1998. Now this Legal Service Authority Act is basically the object of this act is to provide free and competent legal services to the weaker section of the society to ensure that the opportunity for securing justice is not denied to any citizen by reasons of economic or any other disability. Now, we find that under the Legal Service Authority Act, under Section 3 of the Act, a central body is constituted, that is the National Legal Service Authority. Section 6 of the Legal Service Authority Act, State Legal Services Authority is constituted. And as I mentioned, that this Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority was constituted on 15 July 1998 under Section 6 of the Legal Service Authority Act. And then in districts, we have District Legal Service Authority constituted under Section 9 of the Legal Service Authority Act. Now, as on date, we have 11 District Legal Service Authority in all the districts in the state of Meghalaya. And we have High Court Legal Services Committee in the High Court. And as we all know that the primary object of this legal service institution and legal service authority at the national level, at the state level, and at the district level, and even at the subdivisional level is to ensure free legal aid and services to the weaker section of the society. Now in the state of Meghalaya, there is no limitation because this free legal aid is applicable to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, to the women, and for general people where the income limits have been set up to rupees 1 lakh. Now this legal service authority is not just confined to the court proceedings. It is the scope is very wide. Wherever any issue which has a potential of becoming a litigation, there also we intervene and ensure that people, because of their economic or social disability, they are not deprived of any benefits, or in their interface with the governmental institution, they are not at any disadvantage. Now, we have, how do we function also, is that we have the paralegal volunteers, we have legal aid panel of lawyers, legal aid lawyers, the function of these lawyers is to see that people who are not represented in the court because of economic disability, so they are represented by these panel lawyers, legal aid lawyers. Now, as on date, just taking stock on this important day of the activities of the legal service institution at the district level and at the state level, we have around 130 panel lawyers in the state, and these panel lawyers they are handling 408 cases, out of which 407 are criminal cases and one is civil case. And then we have 10 panel lawyers in the High Court, and these lawyers, they take up cases free of cost for those people who cannot afford lawyers at the High Court level. Now, altogether, we have, including the High Court, we have 140 lawyers, panel lawyers, and they are handling legal aid cases to the tune of 468. Now, and on the what are the offices we have in each districts? We have this what we call the front office for the assistance of those people who come to the court. Now, as on date, we have 8 front offices in different districts. They are all functioning, and we have been able. This statistics I'm giving is that with regard to the from January till date, we have been able to provide legal assistance to needy people through our front office. That is around 924 people were benefited by this front office in the state.